Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kelly. I'm here because I wanted to show you what I made with the October 2021 Sam's Bead Box. I did an unboxing a couple days ago, and then I went to town and made some really pretty things. So let's get started. So this right here, I will put it up on a bust so you can see it afterwards. But this, I made like a lariat style necklace. So it's just like one long piece, and then you can wrap it around, and then let me see, you can wrap it around, and then you have this hanging here, and you can do like an uneven hang. I will put a picture of it up afterwards. So this is what I have for the necklace. I don't know if you can see it up close. I used a lot of Sam's Bead Box, and I did use some of my 11O seed beads and some of my crystal bicones. Oh, and I did use some of my spacers, some of these sparkly rondelle spacers, but pretty much everything else was from that. And I used these things, and I made like little things that would hang at in the front. So I have this right here, and then I made this bracelet. I just did a memory wire bracelet, and then I did these earrings. I did that. And then I will put this on so you can see it. I love the way this turned out. That black onyx is absolutely gorgeous in this. I just have a few little charms hanging down, and did that to kind of connect it to and these little things right here, I fell in love with these. I love I love having little dangling charms on all of my jewelry. So I did that, and then I used my 11O black seed beads and my crystal bicones. But, oh, and I did use some of these. They're kind of like an antique silver. They're just round. I got the back right here. You can see them. I use these because I love when I create like little sequences. And then I'll do something like this, and then I'll do something like this, and then I'll just have this. I love adding different textures and different patterns, to make it a little more unique, but yet having that on the same bracelet. So I have this. I have that, the earrings, and then just kind of wrap this around. You can see this is a beautiful piece. This would be beautiful for the holidays, going out somewhere for Christmas or New Year's or something, or dressing it up. So this is what I have for this. This has got the Indian cut garnet center drilled marquise style, the black onyx. It's got crystal bicones, tons of different kinds of check glass that he put in here, and then my black rhinestone spacers, black and silver. So this was this, and then let me see here, and then I have, let me get this. So then this is the bargain bead box taking wing for October. So this is something, it can either be a bracelet or it can be a necklace. So you have that option. I have the little feather here, and then I did the little feather and the little charm here. So, and I did use a few of my fire polish beads from the dollar bead box, and a few of these gold spacers, just tiny ones, but boy, this is just absolutely beautiful. I love the way this turned out. So I have that. Then I know a lot of people, I watched a lot of people's bead boxes, and I know a lot of them did bracelets with these, but I ended up doing, I'm just gonna hold them up because they were, oh, oh, okay, slippery. I ended up doing some earrings out of them because I thought, well, everybody else is doing bracelets, so I'm gonna do an earring. So these turned out really cute. And then, last but not least, and I'm gonna have to put this up on a bust too, I did a layering necklace. It never looks as good when it's laying out, but I did a layering necklace using the feather. Then I used the gold chain that it had. I made some little charms there and some little charms here. I just randomly put them on. I didn't want it to be too, hold on one second. Let me kind of drag it up and see if I can get it to lay the way it's supposed to. Yeah. So yeah, so this is this, and I love the way this turned out. It's funny because I make this jewelry and then I'm like, oh, I want to keep this for myself. And then I end up putting it up for sale. But yeah, and so I used the toggle clasp that came with it. And then I put another little feather right here. So yeah, I love the way this turned out too though. So we've got this. And then another thing about this too that's cool is you can either, you could, if you wanted to, wear this as a necklace and really have a layering necklace here. So you could either do that, or you could have your wrap bracelet. And then I did put an extender chain on, and I usually do it a little longer. And then what I'll do is, like, let's say, you know, you want to wear it right at the length it is, then I will attach one and just have it kind of hanging like that. So it looks kind of cute when it's on. So, and then I added another little series of the charms right there. So yeah, so this is another piece that I made. So I've just really been happy with these monthly box subscriptions. And then this, I had this on my other video, but I'm going to show you again because I just love it. I made this too. These lavender beads were from the bargain bead box for October. And then I mixed them with the dollar bead box, and then I added a little bit of my own stash to it. So I made this. So I have that, and I used some of those feathers on there. I really used up these feathers. I just loved them. And then I did this other one. I'm right here with the earring, the adventuring. So, yes. And then these are from the older dollar bead box subscription, and more of the feather charms. So nice. So yeah, so this is what I made, and I will post pictures up at the end of this video of both of this and the one from Sam's Bead Box sitting up on a bust, so that you can see what it looks like, because it's really hard to see it when it's laying down. So I think that was it for today. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I put up a new video. I'm trying to upload 2 videos a week. I've got some tutorials I'm working on. My daughter is getting married December 17th of this year, so as you can imagine, things are getting crazy busy right now. It's only like 6 weeks away, so so excited. So, but I am definitely going to upload some more tutorials. I have a really cool necklace that I want to show you that I made. That's really cool. I kind of just like started working on something, and this just kind of turned out like this. And to me, that's my favorite kind of jewelry, is when you know you really start out and you're not really sure what you're doing, but you kind of have an idea, and it doesn't work out, but then something better happens. So anyway, I will stop talking and I will let you go, and just stay tuned for more. I plan on giving you more. So subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.